Pairing a Neostat to the RF switch is really easy. It'll only take a few seconds. All we need to do to pair to channel 1 is press and hold CH1 so it starts flashing, as shown. Now we need to press and hold the tick button on your thermostat to get into the menus, tick again, press down, then tick, and it'll start counting down. As soon as this little light stops flashing, this means it has paired. See? Now we can just press the tick and this thermostat has been paired. To test, we can now turn the temperature up on the thermostat to create a demand, and after a couple of seconds, it'll click in. There we go, the signal has been received and it has now activated the zone. Switch it back off, turn it back down again and press tick, and after a couple of seconds the light will switch off again. There we go.